There's a slight squeak coming from the driver's side. We're trying to detect if it's the wheel hub bearing. Hard to do at 20 kilometers an hour when you got wind and everything coming out the window. So here I got set up here, I got a selfie stick with the camera on it. I do have an iPhone, but I think this camera here will be a lot better shockproof. And I'm going to extend it out the window like this, hold it down, and I will record some sound coming from the wheel as I'm driving it around 20 kilometers an hour. Say something like that. So we will be able to detect the sound better. 20 kilometers is when it starts humming. So I'll give you some footage of that, and we'll start detecting where the sound's coming from. But it's definitely on this side at the front. Okay, that concludes our test.